Part 8, Jackie's desk. And rather than that gigantic piece of steel, what that causes it to do is the board has inherent tendency. So what we'll do is I'm going to let in for this project to be done. So let's get deflection on both sides is about 3 millimeters. So I'm pretty sure that it doesn't, when I put in like a piece of like a washer over here, that one, it'll pull this in, but it'll increase. Cabinet has been all sanded and is almost ready for finish. Last time I realized the one thing I'm missing on this drafting table is something that every drafting table needs, and that's a ledge. I need to put a ledge in here. I'll let in a piece of maple and get that glued in, a little bit of sanding, and then that's it for the woodworking part of this, and then we just get into disassembling most of it, quite a bit of it, and then spraying the finish out. So that's it.